This is Emhape Tech with new video. Ever committed to giving consumers a flagship feel at a reduced cost, Chinese smartphone maker Oppo's latest handset is the R11s, a device that delivers a premium experience in almost every aspect of its design. While the original Oppo R11 was an exceptional mid-range phone, the Chinese electronics firm has managed to improve on it in every way with this new upgraded model. So much so, in fact, that it might even sway cost-minded consumers away from the likes of Apple and Samsung. One of the key improvements that the R11s holds over its predecessor is a drastically reduced bezel size, giving the phone a similarly modern look to the Samsung Galaxy S8 and the Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Oppo's fingerprint sensors have always been incredibly fast, and the R11s is no exception, with the phone unlocking in what seems like a split second. Our favorite new feature? Face Unlock, which was introduced on the Oppo F5 but seemingly perfected, or at the very least, greatly improved, here. We can't say for certain whether it's more or less secure than Samsung's own facial recognition tech, though. If you're after a premium phone experience but can't justify paying the usual flagship prices, the Oppo R11s should be your first port of call. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe my channel. See you in next video.